guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Wilson Bohannan. Quite a chunky padlock. It was given to me by a fantastic member on our forum, Raging Skull, so thank you my friend. I've single pin picked this quite a few times, never got it on video. When I first got it I used a medium Southward hook and it picked it open quite well. I then moved on to a deeper hook and again picked it quite well, but it can be temperamental. But I found this Reacher diamond to work quite well on it. It does have a working key. That's the key for it. I'll lower the lock back into the vise actually once it comes to picking it. Show the key working. And you're locked up. So I just literally had it there so you could see the stamp on the side of the lock. So I'll get on using the Peterson pry bar, and I've found it needs sort of quite heavyish tension on this. Don't know if you found that mark, mate, when you were picking the one you picked, but I put quite heavy tension on and start at the back. There we go. It's the Wilson Bohannan padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.